One statement I hear very often from mechanics in Nigeria is this: if you have been using one engine oil brand for many years, don't change it. And many professionals are falling for this. Many people believe switching oil brands will damage the engine, but that is a lie. But let's talk about the real truth. Engine do not recognize oil brands. Your engine does not know whether the oil is from brand A or brand B. Your engine does not know if the oil is from Nigeria or Qatar. What the engine actually depends on is 1. The viscosity grade, 2. the oil specification, 3. the additive package. For example, if your engine requires 5W30 API-SN, any oil that meets that specification can work correctly. The engine only needs the correct lubrication properties. The real problem occurs when people use the wrong viscosity, mix incompatible oils, use poor quality oil. That is what damages engines, not changing brands. Here is the solution. Before switching engine oil brands, always confirm 3 things. For example, 1. the viscosity grade is correct. For example, 5W30 or 10W40. 2. the oil meets the API or OEM specification required by the engine manufacturer. 3. avoid mixing 2 completely different oil during the transition. If these 3 conditions are satisfied, switching oil brand is normally safe. Your engine is not loyal to brand. They are loyal to correct lubrication specification and best lubrication practices during oil change. Thanks and follow for more updates.